Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is oven grilled tilapia fish with fried plantain and pepper sauce. Please help me to watch this video from the start to the end and also help me to share. Thank you. So I have my bell peppers here, yellow and red bell pepper with scotch bonnet and onions. I have already blended it, so now I'm going to pour in my onions and then I'm going to let it fry for some seconds. And after that, I'm going to pour in my pepper mix and then add my seasoning. As you can see, I'm also going to add some bouillon powder and thereafter I'm going to stir. So I'm going to cover to let it cook on a low heat. This is my fish. I've already washed and cleaned it. I'm going to use the tissue to take all the water off from the fish, okay? So now I'm going to add a little salt to my sauce and then stir and cover to let cook. After that, my sauce is ready. I'm going to take some from the sauce because that's what I'm going to use to seasoning the fish, okay? So I've already used the tissue to remove the water from the fish because it is very good to let our fish dry, okay? So that's it. I'm going to be putting in my pepper. As you can see, I used my hand gloves here because the sauce is really spicy, okay? I added a lot of pepper because I love eating pepper. So I'm going to make sure that everything go inside the sauce is everywhere, as you can see the way I'm doing it here. So after that, I'm going to also add my plantain to it and then put in the oven. So guys, I'll be using 3 plantain for the fish. I peeled it and then put some cuts on the plantain. I did the same on all other 2. And I'm going to add a little amount of salt and then put it in the oven. I'm going to put it in the oven on 250 degrees. So after letting it in the oven for some time, guys, it's always important that you check the fish so that it will not burn. So as you can see, the first part is ready. I have to flip it aside and let the other part cook, the other side cook as well. And guys, as you can see, that's it. The fish and plantain is ready. That's how I prepare this delicious, easy food you are seeing here. Please, if you find this video interesting, help me to share, comment, like, and also follow me on all my social media platforms with the name Mama Triple. And the food was so yummy. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye.